Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to change logo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Change your team logo in ESPN Fantasy Football. What you need to do first is head over and open up your ESPN Fantasy app. Then once you're inside, what you need to do is tap on login on the bottom of the options, then simply enter your credentials and log into the app. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your Fantasy Football League, then go to the My Team tab, and once you are there, what you need to do is tap on the gear icon that is usually on the top right, and then once you're inside there, select edit team name, logo and location. Then inside, what you need to do is tap on your current logo, then choose from default ESPN avatars like NFL teams, etc. Or you can simply upload a custom photo from your gallery. And once you are done, simply tap on save or green check mark. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.